Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video on our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to turn off comments on Facebook posts. If that is something that you want to learn, then make sure you keep watching it until the end and let's get started. First, head over to the post that you want to turn off the comments on. Open up your profile and then just tap on the three dots that you see on the top right, and you'll have an option of who can comment on your post. If you don't see this option, you can first tap on edit privacy and make your post public. If it is set to friends, you wouldn't have that option, so tap on public, tap on the three dots again and tap on who can comment on your post. Once you're here, you'll have a couple of options. Now all you need to do is tap on profiles and pages you mention. This means only those people or those accounts will be able to comment which you have personally mentioned. So tap on done and there you go. Your profile commenting for the whole public has now been disabled. So that was the exact video. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.